What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest, LipstickNick's in the building.
Yay.
And I'm Lipstick Jeff reporting live.
We're twinning so hard today.
I can't believe this is like real. I'm looking in the monitor like, are we sisters? This is like meant to be.
I wish I had my makeup done like that. Well, actually, I should do my makeup like that and then we'll really
take it there.
Okay.
Okay.
Next video.
We're pretty close.
It's pretty close. Yours is like slightly more pink. Mine's like a little more orangey.
That red.
But yeah.
Well, lucky enough, my entire Lovesick collection is all red, so Nicole's gagging over here. But of course, today we are here to recreate a look that Nicole created on me as well as David. And we used, of course, the brand new Blood Sugar eyeshadow palette. Now, when you first saw the colors months ago, what were you thinking? Because you never know what's in my crazy head, right?
Yeah, I had no idea it was gonna look like this. But I did get like Valentine's Day vibes. Like it's very like love. But it's like really wearable too. So I love like
There's a lot of wearable moments. I think people see neon colors and they kind of freak out. So it's like you could just cover the few neons, girl. There's so many wearable moments.
Totally.
So for the shoot though, we always like to take it there. And I really wanted Nicole to show off as many shadows from the palette as possible with one look, which of course is kind of hard to do sometimes. And there's 18 shades for this one, so I'm like, girl, do whatever you want to do. And this was one of the looks, one of like 5. Of course, you guys have seen a lot of pictures online by now. So we are recreating, of course, I'm gonna call it iconic.
I feel like this is the blood sugar look. Like it's like
full on.
Full on.
Okay, also, Cole's shy, so I'm gonna say it. No,
God,
you're actually not shy.
I'm not. Well, sometimes depends.
We're dating. Just kidding.
Gemini.
You are Gemini, yes. Nicole is actually on a makeup tour, and you're doing a lot of classes in the beginning of the year, and then again maybe in the fall.
Maybe in the winter,
we'll see what
fall,
happens.
winter, yeah. But for now, it's like a 3-4 month run. Actually, now we've added dates, so it's gonna go all the way into May.
Okay, so explain what kind of class you're teaching.
So it's a demonstration style class. So I'm up there. I have different celebrity guests for every class as my model, and I do a full makeup tutorial on like kind of that model's classic like signature look that I've recreated. Most of these people I've worked with before for campaigns and stuff, so it's a lot of influencers. And
she just used Daisy Danger and Jaclyn Hill for her classes, so I'm like, yes bitch, you better get the best of the best. And how fun is it to glam them, because they always do their own makeup?
Yeah, it's always fun.
Cool, right?
It's always fun, especially like because you know it's a lot of trust, so it's kind of scary. But all these people I've developed relationships with because they usually will ask me to do stuff for campaigns and stuff like that. So it's fun. It's just especially doing for like a live audience and like a class of people that like love makeup. And,
exactly.
Yeah, it's really
cool. And then of course, where can everyone buy tickets?
You can buy tickets at lipsticknick.com, and there is a tour section, so it's /tour.
Yay! And then you guys will see the tank top I'm about to wear. It's all lipstick kisses once we start the video. She has a whole merch line now. Like she's not playing around. Miss CEO is here to slay.
This year.
So maybe Nicole will let me be one of her models one day.
We'll see.
Yay, let me in, girl. Besides the makeup. And David Scissorhands is back again.
What up, guys?
All right, so David, girl, you've been doing so many colors on me. We were like, we're gonna do red, right?
Yeah, I was thinking about like doing a bit of a older Nicole sluttier sister.
Yes.
But yeah, really invoking that Valentine's Day.
That realness.
Special,
right? I love it. It's sickening. And then we also did a lot of other looks. David has been loving sleeking me down lately.
We have some cool stuff
showing off his bones.
Yeah, giving to the girl next door, you know.
Realness. Okay, so also real quickly, David, I know so many people have been asking you to start selling wigs.
Yeah.
So David will have wigs very soon. We will talk about that when they are officially live, but David's working on some damn wigs. So you can finally purchase some of his work.
It'll be coming soon. Yeah, I've just been working on it. It takes time, and I want to be a perfectionist and make sure that I'm giving you guys the goods.
Exactly.
You know.
Yeah,
Step that pussy up. All right, you guys. So these two combined forces created this amazing look. It's so just like it embodies what this whole entire palette and collection is about. So thank you guys for killing it as always.
Of course.
Thanks for letting us.
Yeah, thanks for letting me kill it.
Of course. All right, so if you guys want to see how we did this crazy magic, then keep on watching. So we're trying to remember, you guys, what we actually did on set, and I wrote down a lot of notes while Nicole was doing my eyes. So I think the first shade you dipped into was Sweetner.
Sweetner, yep, all over your lid.
All right, yay.
Yeah,
let's dive in.
So what I do with every metallic shade is I'll spray a little bit of Fix Plus on the back of my hand.
For that extra va-va-voom.
Extra little pop with all the metallics. So I'm just gonna lay a little bit of this down.
Now, of course, you don't have to. The shade by itself is great, but if you want this extra really rich metallic, love a little Fix Plus or setting spray.
Wow.
Does that look cute?
Yeah.
I wanted a shade that I really didn't see in a lot of palettes. Just something different. All right, now Nicole's gonna cut the crease, and she uses liquid lips a lot, which I live for. And you guys, if you don't know, my formula is vegan and ice safe, so you can put these in your waterline and let them dry. You can put them anywhere. You can use them as liner. So we're gonna use shade Problematic.
We're gonna cut your crease, and then we're gonna kick it up.
Also use some Redrum.
Some Redrum, yeah. We might mix it a little bit.
Classic red. Cool. I love watching Nicole do this part. Cut it. Cut it. You need to cut it. So you're blending out with the brush that had no product on it, right?
Yeah, so I'm taking a dry brush with no product on it, and I'm just blending out the Problematic a little bit
lip
up onto the brow bone. This will give me a really nice base for when I start blending all the shadows.
You better blend. All right, so now what's next?
Next, we're gonna use cherry soda.
Okay.
We're gonna do this all over your brow bone, and it's kind of gonna be like the middleman in between tongue pop and extraction.
Beautiful, yay. And we're doing no brows today, everyone. We're gonna have full alien moment. I feel like cherry soda matches your hair.
It does, it totally does. I remember at the photo shoot, we didn't know if we were gonna do brows either.
We just went for it.
We just went for it. And before I take it up too high, I'm gonna take a little bit of tongue pop.
And just blend her down.
Yep.
Up, I mean.
Blend her up and down.
Ooh, now you're taking some glucose.
Taking a little bit of glucose and just using that right at the top here.
Now this is like a straight up pure matte white, which I used to do all over my entire whole entire lid and face almost back in the day.
Your face, your highlight,
Yeah.
your setting powder.
That was my setting powder. Oh shit.
Now we will go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got few more.
Ooh, love it. Are we dipping into extraction?
We're gonna dip into extraction. So
Okay.
we're just gonna enhance the cut crease right there. So we're gonna make it a little bit darker.
Body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all.
Nicole is blending to filled. Ooh, it's coming together. What's next?
Coming together. We're gonna take a little bit more of glucose.
Okay.
So we're gonna build underneath your eye now.
Ooh, okay.
And we're gonna pack this right here in the front. Holy shit.
She has
It
pigment.
is so white.
Ooh, girl, I love that.
Now we're gonna cut your bottom crease. I guess kind of. It's kind of like your bottom crease.
So that's where we
under
use
here.
red rum. We actually forgot, you guys, mid-tutorial. We're like, where did we put the red rum liquid lip?
Yeah.
So it's under.
Well, and we also did this shoot like a couple weeks ago, so I
forgot.
We're like, yeah, I'm forgetting. But I'm remembering now. I'm gonna go right underneath that white shadow.
I wonder what
Actually, before it dries all the way, I'm gonna blend it out a little bit.
between the words you say.
So now, right here at the base, I'm gonna take a little bit of Coma.
The darkest shade in the palette.
Darkest shade in the palette. I'm gonna set this.
You guys hear a dog barking? It's Drama downstairs yelling her head off. She's in full play mode.
Next, we're gonna take some Root Canal.
Ooh, okay.
This is one of my favorite colors in this palette. I'm gonna buff this out right underneath Coma. We're gonna dip into Prick, which is a shade over here. It's like this really beautiful bright orange.
It's nuts, right? It's like
It's
an
so
orange
pretty.
red hybrid. And of course this has the needle and stamped into the powder, which of course this one is the medical symbol over here. I had to switch it up a little bit and I thought it'd be very fitting
I love
to
that.
name it Prick.
So cute.
So where are you gonna put that again?
I'm gonna put this right under here,
Ooh, okay.
right in the front, just a little bit.
Just for some detailing. Oh my god, this looks so sick. It's like, okay.
Coming together. Eyeliner next.
All right, eyeliner. Liquid? Yep, we got liquid.
Yep, we're gonna do a favorite, Tom Ford. This is my favorite.
The best. If you guys have never tried this, a little pricey, but it's so good. It's dual-ended, so it has like a finer point for detailing and then a bigger point. And it's just like, it's quick.
It is so fast. We're gonna finish up the eyeliner, so I'm gonna pull this in to a little point right in here.
Oh, you're gonna add some black in there?
Right in between glucose and sweetener.
Let me hold my breath. All right, it's almost time for lashes, so I'm gonna quickly pop in some contacts before my eyes get crazy and we do all the glue, so I will be right back. Contact lenses are in. First of all, look at these short nails, girl. Don't judge me. Okay, so I am going to quickly do mascara and liner. Now, I prefer to do this on myself no matter who does my makeup because my eyes, they're not sensitive, but when someone's going in there, I don't know why, for some reason when you do it yourself, it just doesn't water. So I'm going to do the MAC Cosmetics Fascinating White and Smolder with, of course, the iconic Benefit Cosmetics Rollerlash. Be right back. We got liner, mascara on, and now it's time for some lashes, my favorite part. I think, like, this is one of Nicole's signature moments. It's just cutting up lashes and slaying the face.
Well, we're gonna start with bottom lashes.
Okay,
So we put
bottom
these...
me. We're doing this Duo Vegan Lash Glue. So you're putting that...
right where we started that shadow line. So it's actually underneath your real lashes.
Damn, these feel like... I love it. Like little butterflies are caressing my cheeks.
You can feel them tickling.
All right, what are we doing next?
We're gonna do top lash. We're gonna use Crazed by Flutter.
Okay. Ooh, I love these ones.
These are very big.
Oh, they're not even in here. I'm like, oh, I love these.
I already popped them out.
They're invisible. Yeah, these are sick. All right, let's pop this lash.
So we're gonna layer a 301, a big crazy lash. I'm gonna cut it in half.
Okay.
And use the shorter half at the end.
Oh, okay. Cool.
I love how big they are.
Oh, wow. Bitch, like, I'm sorry. I'm about to flutter away. Damn, look at that side shot. Where's our photographer when we need it? Look at that eye look right there. Fuck! Oh my god. All right, so now we're gonna dip into the 24 karat Skin Frost Pro palette in shade Sarcophagus.
I love this shade.
I can hear better. I love a highlighted ear. All right, it's time for lips.
Lips.
And what are we gonna do today?
Well, today we're gonna use Romeo and I'm Nude, but on the shoot day, I think we just did I'm Nude.
Yes, in the picture.
So, in the picture. It's gonna be kind of an ombre lip.
Before Nicole does my lipstick, since we are gonna be using liquid lips today, I am going to do a lip scrub to make sure I am nice, smooth, and ready. So today we're gonna go in with my velour lip scrub in shade Cherry Soda. Oh, this is so yummy. Girl, when I have the munchies at night, half the jar, it's a wrap. But today, we're just gonna use them to prep the lips. You are gonna feel so smooth. Dip in for a snack, bitch. I know we're hungry. And then sometimes if there's sugar on my face, I will take a beauty blender and just wipe it off. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Such a good tip too to use a brush if you guys want a full real ombre. I love using a brush. All right, now for setting spray, we're gonna use a little Scandinavia. This is the Bridal Makeup Finishing Spray. I feel like it's fitting.
Yeah, it's a bridal look.
Hose me down.
Woo! Hey.
All right.
Your eyes. Bride to be.
This is a good look for like when the priest is like, does anyone object? And I burst in the room looking like this, like I do. We're done, you guys. This is almost, well, we need some hair on.
Yeah.
Because I look like a bald bitch right now. But I think red to match Nicole. I'm having a red moment.
Let's have a moment.
Red everything, you guys. This is we're in the season of fucking red, so saddle up. I'm gonna go slap some hair on. David, hook me up, girl. Okay, David, you gonna wig cap me up?
I'm gonna wig it up, baby.
All right, so he slicks down the edges, slicks me down.
Yeah.
And then this is a wig cap we already did the foundation in, so don't judge our dirty ass wig cap.
Match up the hairline that we're about to put it on.
Ooh, okay, so we want it like there, probably.
Yeah, it should be right in the middle.
So we put foundation on the wig cap so they blend into what we're about to do. So just for the record, you guys, when we do like photo shoots and this type of stuff, like I know real drag queens like glue everything down. I don't really do that unless we're going to events. Now, if you don't know, I had hair surgery like almost 2 years ago actually, which there is a video on me having a whole crazy procedure done. So I don't really glue down the edges. So a lot of people ask that. So for events I will, but for like photo shoots, video, I don't really do that because my hairline's sensitive, girl. And we don't want to lose them hairs that we paid for. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Their social media links will be linked down below. And yeah, that's it. 20millionshamelessplugs.com. Yes, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is all about the art, and these two always slay it. And this collection is out in the world. I can't believe it. Thank you so much for supporting this, and there's more tutorials actually. We filmed more looks on this, so get ready for that in the next week or two, and we will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Mwah.